In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Etsy search bar, specifically aimed at beginners. If you're new to Etsy or simply want to make the most out of your search experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how to use this powerful feature to find exactly what you're looking for. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Etsy homepage. It's a vibrant space full of creative and unique products from sellers all around the world. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, the experience is quite similar. Once you're on the site, take a moment to soak in all the different categories and eye-catching listing images on the homepage. This initial browse can also spark ideas for your search. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll find the search bar. It's prominently located in the upper center, just waiting for you to click on it. This is your gateway to thousands of products, and with a few simple words, you can find almost anything you can imagine. Click on the search bar to activate it and get ready to type. Now, let's talk about typing in those product keywords. Think about what you're looking for and try to be specific yet concise. For instance, if you're interested in finding a handmade ceramic mug, typing just mug might give you an overwhelming number of results. Instead, try handmade ceramic mug to narrow it down. As you start typing, Etsy often provides auto-suggestions based on popular searches, which can help refine your queries further. Be sure to leverage these suggestions, as they might introduce you to products you hadn't considered before. After entering your desired keywords, it's time to browse through the results. Etsy's search brings up a variety of options based on your input, and you'll notice that there are many ways to refine your results further. On the left side, you can filter by categories, price range, location, and even offers like gifts or personalized items. Exploring these filters can help streamline your search and make your shopping experience more efficient. Take some time here, scrolling through the search results until you find something that catches your eye. And there you have it. A straightforward yet powerful way to navigate Etsy with the search bar. Whether you're looking for a specific item or just browsing for inspiration, the search bar is your best friend on this platform. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different keywords and filters to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy searching on Etsy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. Have a wonderful day shopping for those perfect artisan treasures.